Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in. And today I'm showing you the Bloxburg Halloween update that came out on Friday night. I have not been able to post any content about it because I have been busy, so is Zay. He could sadly not make it tonight, but as we can already see, there is a spooky mansion behind me that looks very cool. Okay, so let's show you the first thing. So first, they added a very much of windows. So we have the no glass octagon window, the no glass square window, very smaller rectangle one, a glass cube window, a octagon window. These are two separate windows. This is a separate window, a right and a left window. Then a circle detailed window, then an octagon detailed window. Then we have a traditional window, an empty traditional window, a glass traditional window, a big, no, a small curved window, a double traditional window, a wide thing, a big pentagon window, a big detailed pentagon window. I do not know. I think it's a triple. I think it is of a triple traditional window. Then we have these very big windows, and yes, these are windows. So next, I'm going to show you some hollow. No, I'm not going to show you that yet. That will come in a few minutes after I show you what they added next. So they added wall boarding. So this is a full wall boarding. Then another wall boarding. Here's another. Here's another. Here's another. They made a lot of stuff on this update. And I really like this because people had to use fences, but now they can just put it on the walls. Let me show you. So if you go to wall trim, and if I one at the bottom, there it is. So yeah, it's very easy to place. I like how build mode, they try to make it as easy as they can. Unlike how Robloxian high schools like trying to make an update in build mode, and I went and tested that out, and to be honest, it sucks because it is very hard to use. So now we start with tons of doors they added. We'll start with garage doors they've added. This is actually a door, not a garage. It's a very wide open door. Then they have this door. Then garage. I like this garage the most since it's new. Because look at how cool it is. Then we have a large one of these. Let's close that. Then we have a wide open one. Then a small open one. No, these are traditional doors. Traditional wide door, traditional small door. And we have, look how detailed the new doors are. I really like these. I mean, look at the new doorknobs. We got some glass windows. They went out their way to do this update. I mean, it is very awesome. We have some French doors here they added. I think I prefer this door the most. Oh, I'm stuck. This is the door I like the most. It's a secret door. So if you had something secret, like a secret room, it's now easier to make because back then you had to color a wall, but now you can just put this there. And yes, you can put stuff on it, so, and it will not mess up anything. Here's an entertainment center that they made. They made some new bookshelves, which are very cool. Some new pillars. I probably like this pillar the most. It is very cool. And then next we'll go to our Halloween items, which were in the thing. We have our bat here. We have our candle. Turn off, turn on. It is a very bright candle. We have a new witch. We have a ghost returning from last year. We have a gravestone. We have all of these cool items. I do not know about the other things, but I definitely know that the watering can is new. Then we have all these pumpkin faces. The Nuba lantern is new. You can actually carve this year. So let's carve this plain pumpkin. I wish they hadn't had like a little saw like you do in real life. You use a little saw to cut your pumpkin. But they use the animation for when you're in dress mode for it. And so these are small pumpkins, these are tall pumpkins. And you can do the same thing with them. Let's do a tall Nuba lantern this time. Let's just wait a second. There we go, Nuba lantern. Then we got this light, it's very bright. There, so you can see it. Then we have new ghost lights and returning pumpkin lights. Here, let me turn off some of these so you can see the spider. Yeah, so that's the spider. Then we have the spooky bush that is new and a spooky tree. Then the rest in peace coffin, which is like a bed. The returning cauldron, a new scarecrow, and then new inflatables. Like during Christmas, they had, I forgot if it was an inflatable Santa or an inflatable reindeer or something. But yeah, then we have a spider, rest in peace. No, we have an oof thing that cost $15,000, and this costs $20,000. Then this is one of the best parts. They added automatic light switches. Wait, it minuses fun and energy. It's uncomfortable. Wow. I paid $20,000 for this. Uncomfortable. So the other one, I guess, uncomfortable maybe. See, so when I leave the room, turns off. Here's it is. It costs 55 bucks. Blocks. I don't know how to say it. Blocks bucks. I don't know how you say it, but you say it like you want to. So yeah, that's a cool. And here's the really cool part that they added. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can now build up to 5 floors in Bloxburg, which is really neat, I thought. There will be a part 2 of this video where I show you my spooky mansion in the next video, which will be coming out later, either tonight or tomorrow night. So, let's just go see if people have, uploaded some houses or something. Let's just bulldoze this plot. Let's continue. Okay. Now we have enough of everything. Now we can buy ourselves a nice little vehicle. Let's go to vehicles. Let's buy this. So now we can just drive around. As I showed you that mansion. Let's just see how people have decorated their places. I like this mansion, but it is not decorated for Halloween. Let's check out this one. Why is nobody decorated for Halloween? This is just very sad. The depression is real. Let's just get over to this side. And leave down in the comment section, I cannot talk today, I'm feeling very noobish, of what videos you would like me and Zay to post in the future. Maybe a build-off challenge or something. I know Zay has been planning a big video that will be coming out in like maybe a week or so. I see one pumpkin over there. That's a very big house. Oh, I see the orange lines. Oh, I see a ghost now because I guess it's loading because this is a very big house. The only thing I'm worried about when they added 5 floors is that people will be building mega houses that will make you lag like crazy. Oh wow, this is festive. Look at this house. So many candy buckets. Did I miss any people? I don't think I missed any people. Yeah, I think that was everybody. Oh god, I cannot drive. Let's just... Let's go in here. Wonder if they color the beach sand like a different color or do anything to the beach. Let's just go check that out. They didn't change the color of the Ferris wheel. I thought they'd like change those lights on the side orange. It does not look like they've changed it. I'm a bully. I'm gonna kick down that sandcastle. Yeah, maybe I'll do it. Yeah, I'm a nice person. They now actually have a moat support. So like the ones you have. See, look. Moats tilt. This one looks like it should be called Monkey. I do not know why. They do have one called Monkey. The Becky dance bam. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, let's keep dancing, y'all. Let's keep dancing because we're celebrating this new update. Let's cheer for the new update. Let's go back to dancing now. Go to more. Let's go to Dreamer. Yeah. Well, guys, I think I'm going to end the video off here. I hope you enjoy this content that I'd uploaded. And you can go watch part 2. It should be out by at least 8 o'clock by tomorrow night. So peace out, y'all. Have a good night.